We all have some tech accessories that are very important to us in our day-to-day life, and these are 10 of mine. First on the list is this new keyboard from Nuphy. This is their Halo 65 V2, and trust me, it looks so freaking gorgeous and pretty much is one of my most favorite keyboards that I've ever used, period. As you can see, if you have a minimal desk setup, this matches your vibe perfectly. This has some great accent colors, for example on that escape key, spacebar and enter key. These are triple shot injection molding illuminated keycaps. And talking about illumination, this keyboard has 8 RGB modes, has a transparent bottom case, has 3 zones to customize your RGB lighting so you can go haywire and do it as you like. This has a lot of enhanced switch options that you can go for, either the silent ones or the one that I have here is the Raspberry, which has a good talk sound and you can literally enjoy your typing experience. This also has a gasket mount structure, so absorbs all the vibrations and makes the keyboard feel super solid. On the top of the keyboard, you have a toggle for Windows or Mac, along with the power/connection toggle, which cycles through the wired or wireless mode, through which you can either connect through Bluetooth or with the 2.4 GHz dongle. It also has a slot to store that dongle in case you're not using it. And last but not least, you have the Type-C port, either for charging or connecting it wired. The color that I have here is the Ionic White, but it also comes in a couple different other colors. The one that I really like is the Mojito. Has a lot of new sound modes, and as the name suggests, this is a 65% keyboard and this is their version 2, so it also has Halo Light 2.0, which is the different RGB zones, and the switches are hot swappable, so in case if you want to switch the switch, it's super easy to do so. The battery life is also insane, so if you have all the backlights on all the time, you can get up to 80 hours. I'm personally not a huge fan of RGB because I like to keep things minimal, so I can get that insane battery life. And with all lights off, that 4000 milliamp battery serves you 240 hours on single charge. So that's pretty much the overview of this Halo 65 V2 by Nuphy. According to me, this is one of the cleanest and the most minimal keyboard you can get. This comes in at 120 bucks and I feel like it's totally worth the price tag. So if you want to get one for yourself, the links will be in the description box down below. From one desk accessory to another, this is a wireless charging station from ESR, which is a 3-in-1 wireless charging station for all your devices, and you can literally charge them at the max speed possible. This one has Qi 2 support with Cryo Boost, which is their fan cooling technology. So once you prop your phone up, it has 15 watts of ultra fast wireless charging. If it's not obvious, it has MagSafe and has one charger on the back for your Apple Watch and another charger on the bottom for your AirPods, so you can have this on the nightstand and literally not worry about charging everything all at once. And with that Cryo Boost technology, it makes sure that your phone isn't getting super hot, because that's pretty much a con of wireless charging. So it makes sure that the phone stays cool and in return gives you faster charging speeds. So this is one thing that I use on daily basis to charge my devices, and is the one thing that I would recommend you guys to get. This and anything I mentioned throughout this video will be linked in the description box down below. Next up, let's switch the category, and it's some EDC stuff that you guys need to take a look at. This is a Mech metal wallet from PunCube, comes in this sleek packaging. These are made up of aluminum. They also have ones that come in titanium, but these are super solid, sleek and minimal looking wallets that have a trick up its sleeve. So I have two versions here, the Horizon and the Wasteland. The Horizon is fully plain, looks very sleek, has this smooth fidget inspired mechanical lever system. Both of these can hold up to 6 cards inside and maybe 2 or 3 on the back if you have this clip on it. The Horizon has a smooth slide to access all your cards all at once, whereas the Wasteland has a great texture and look on the front, which also provides like decent grip. And this is the best one for your fidget needs. Just take a listen to this. Super satisfying to use, and you're definitely gonna get asked about which wallet is that. You can also get this with a MagSafe connector attachment in case you wanna snap this on your phone. Next up again is a desk accessory, and it's the one that you see right beside me. It is that monitor riser. Doesn't matter which one you go for or which brand you go with. This is the one thing that I would recommend for your desk setup, because this literally elevates it on a different level. The one that I have here is from Desky. It gives good storage on the bottom of the monitors and also provides a cleaner look, so serves two purposes, making the desk setup look cleaner and makes it more functional. Next Next up on the list is a phone case, and it is not just any other random phone case. This is the one from Arc Pulse. This absolutely looks so different from the usual phone cases, and that's the reason I love it. It is made up of solid aluminum, also comes in titanium, so no cheap materials like plastic or silicone. Has this clean and minimal look but still protects your phone with all those major drops. The one that I am using here is the silver one. It also has a lot of different other color options in case you want to match it with your phone. I genuinely just can't go back to a regular phone case after using this, because this makes me feel that I am actually using my phone caseless but still not worry about that protection. Not sponsored at all, but I genuinely enjoyed this one, so you should check it out. Next up, getting into more wearable tech, I would say is just getting a good watch band for your Apple Watch. The one that I have here is just a cheap knockoff from Amazon, but it serves its purpose. It has seen better days, but I have used this so freaking much. This is my main daily EDC thing. The shade absolutely matches the Apple Watch Ultra in natural titanium, and this genuinely looks so good. I've gotten a few compliments for this one, and it suits all of your outfits without going overboard. Has good quality but has tarnished over time, so I would recommend you guys to either go with something like with Nomad or some well-known brand in case you're planning to get one. And you can generally customize your Apple Watch according to your liking, so maybe just get a few extra bands. Next up is for your audio needs, and this is the AirPods Pro 3s. These just got upgraded, and I must say this was the best upgrade of this year. These have up to 2 times more noise cancellation from the last gen and up to 4 times from the originals which I had. So this was a definite upgrade for me, and I must say the noise cancellation is even better than my Sony's, which are the XM5s, and that just blows my mind. Even though I would still say the audio quality on the Sony's is a little bit better, because obviously they have bigger drivers, but the AirPods Pro 3s have become my new dailies. Moving on to gaming, and if you guys game at all, I would definitely recommend you guys to get a Dualsense controller. This one is in midnight black, and I've customized the bottom plate to match like a little bit of my theme. I know at this point this has become so old that everybody knows about it, but Sony just pushed an update making it so much better. As you guys know that you could pair this controller with your phone, with your PC, depending on wherever you play. You can now literally pair all of them at once, and you can select which one that you want to use. So initially you had to press the PlayStation button and the share button in order to pair it with Bluetooth, but now you can use the action buttons to pair it to a specific device, and whenever you're using that specific device, just wake the controller up with the pairing mode, so you don't have to go through the process all over again in case you want to use a newer device. Pretty much works like how Logitech Mice has like different connectivity options. Super amazing updates, and makes it an instant recommendation for all the gamers out there. Next up is not really an accessory, but it's literally a lamp or a light, which pretty much creates the ambience of where you're working, and having good lighting is a must, because that can affect on how inviting your space is and how more productive you can get. I have a couple of lamps on my desk itself. As you can see, I have this new one from IKEA. It's their donut lamp, a very popular one. And in case if you're a bit on a budget, you can also get this mushroom one. It looks really nice and provides some warm lighting to the space. And last but not the least is also from IKEA, and it's this utility cart. And the best part about this is that you can use it however you like. I'm personally using it to store my camera gear and a lot of tech, but in case if you have something else to just use it as a storage, it has wheels so you can roll it around and place it wherever you want. Has 3 compartments to segregate all you need. If you're an artist, you can use it to store your brushes, and if you're into any other hobby, I'm pretty sure that you can make a good use out of it. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favorite and which one are you picking up. Once again, all the necessary links are in the description box down below. You can also follow me on my socials for some short form content. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and peace.